This last way that I'm about to list right now is the best thing to do. It is my favorite thing. I stand by this. God stands by this, okay? It's that important. And that is hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Welcome back to the Christian Professional. On this channel, we talk all about how to reign in your professional life with Jesus Christ. We focus on topics such as self-development, career development, as well as finance with a dash of style. All right, if you click this video, that means you want to level up. You want to invest in your future, but you do not necessarily have the cash to do so right now. But I'm telling you, you right now, your brain, your spirit, your everything is the biggest asset that you could possibly have. No matter how much money you can make in the future, it's never going to match up to how much you currently have right now. So applaud for yourself. Clap for yourself. You're living soul. Praise the Lord. Like, you have the biggest asset there is to have. So in this video, we're going to talk about steps that you could take, things that you could do that cost you $0 in order to invest in a better future. If you like that topic, go ahead and subscribe down below. The first thing I would do is a get out of debt plan. So a lot of us who are trying to invest in our futures, probably because they're trying to get out of debt. And I say this first because that is most people's problems, that they have a lot of debt and they don't know how to get out of it. And I actually have a video that is called the Get Your Money Right Challenge video, where in there I talk all about how to walk yourself through your finances in 15 minutes and literally formulate a plan that will help you for your financial future. If you are interested in that, I will have the link in the description box down below. And I'll also have a quick little course that you can take to make a get out of debt plan. Number 2 is to get a library card. You guys, let me tell you, books are so valuable and they can teach you so much. And what's awesome about libraries is that you can like get a book for free if you have a library card. And all you have to do is go to the library that's around you. And guess what, you guys, when you pay taxes, some of those taxes go to, you know, keeping those libraries free. So go ahead and use your tax money and get a library card for free. And there you can, you know, check out different books from the library and be able to start reading, you know, things that you might be interested in. I think reading, honestly, reading period is a great way to invest in your future. I'm gonna be honest, I grew up really hating reading. I now see how much of an impact that has made on my life. Reading can just really amplify your life in so many different ways, the way you think, the way you process things, and so many different things. But one of my favorite books is, of course, the Bible. Like, you thought I was gonna say the Bible, but yes, my favorite book is the Bible. Okay, it has all the life lessons that you possibly need to learn in order to have a better future for anything. Okay, start with the Bible. I recommend Romans or Proverbs, but yeah, the Bible is amazing and it teaches you about who you are, okay, what God has made you and your potential in this world. It's truly amazing. But a really great book that I actually recently finished reading is called The N Asset, and it is all about how to understand your finances properly, and really talks about how you can utilize life insurance to create a savings vehicle that you can use and save your money at the same time. Highly recommend it. I will have the link down below in the description box if you are wanting to get that book. Third thing I would say is to start your productivity journey. This is so important, so big, because I actually have a video just on this for you. It is called Get Your Life Together Challenge. I love challenges, you guys. So in that video, I kind of walk you guys through how I, you know, kind of write down all my goals, how to get more routine, how to get, you know, how to get more productive. But being productive, even when you don't have big things to do, disciplines you. It gives your body a routine, and it gets you used to getting disciplined when you do have things to do. Let me tell you, just because you now turned an adult or whatever, it doesn't mean that you're going to be able to now do adult things at adult deadlines. All right, it's just not, it's not realistic. So those people who already like had those routines when they were in high school and things like that already are like way ahead, because when they get to adulting, they already have a routine. But people like me who slept in till 12 p.m. every single Saturday had to adjust, okay? So if you are really like looking to better your future and you want to invest and you don't got no money, girl, man, get you a correct routine and learn how to be disciplined in your productivity. And when you have things to do, you will get them done. I promise you, like, it's amazing. But yeah, I'll go ahead and link my video down below, and I'll kind of walk you through how to start doing those things, how to envision that person that you want to be, and how to start walking in that person's shoes. Truly awesome. The next step to invest in your future with absolutely no money is to organize your space. You will be surprised of the things that you'll find that you absolutely do not use that you can resell on Poshmark, on OfferUp, on Facebook Marketplace, and that can actually get you some money to invest in things that you actually do want to work on. But either way, whether you find things or not, being able to organize your space and having like a clean space really helps the mind think clearly. At least it helps my mind to think clearly, because when you have less things like around you that's cluttering you up, you can focus on different things. Like, think about it, when you walk into your room and you have to like step over certain things that's on your floor and things like that, you're constantly thinking about like the things that are around you, and you're not taking the time to think about what you can create from within you to create value out of you. Ooh, that was a word. No, but I'm for real though. It's really great to be able to have a clean space so you can have a clean mind to work on the things that you actually need to work on. And actually, if you guys didn't know, I'm currently on a productivity journey, which really inspired me to start my minimalism journey. And I actually have that first video on my channel where I went through and I cleaned my closet. If you want to join my minimalism journey with me, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below. Next way to invest in your future with absolutely $0 is to do your research. If anybody knows me, y'all know that I love Google, okay? Google gets you places. If you go to the right resources and you type the right keywords, hunty, you can level up just with Google. Nah, but for real, if you don't want to use Google, use other search engines if you must, okay? But just research people that you want to be like. Get on Instagram, get on Facebook, whatever platform, and just research what those people have done to get to the places that they are, whether it's just like watching their content, reading a book of theirs like I talked about earlier, whatever it may be. But just do your research, because when you start to like open your mind up to what is out there, you start seeing the possibilities. This next tip is super key, and that is to network. I really love to get to know new people, and selfishly, because honestly, like I said, with research, it's really great to see how people look at life. But then also, when you have a network, hunty, you're growing your net worth. And especially for those of you who are maybe in corporate America or have like a professional job, reach out to other people within that job. You know, maybe it's not people at your company, but like if you are a consultant, like I'm a consultant for example, and maybe join a consultant community in Dallas. Or if you're an artist, same thing. Like whatever you do, just try to connect to people that are within your field, because you might think that, oh, they're at where I'm at now, it doesn't really matter. But trust me, within 5 years, y'all both gonna be somewhere, both very important, and you guys are going to be able to help each other out. I was really inspired by somebody that I interviewed with. Actually, he was telling me that when he started out with this company, when he was an associate just like me, and he was really close to one of their clients that they were servicing at the time. And now fast forward 20 years later, the client is literally the CEO of this company, and he is, you know, a partner at his consulting firm, and they sell work to each other all the time. Like, look at that, like, impact, right? Just don't take your relationships that you have for granted, because they could literally really help you in the future. And not only just that, again, I think it's super valuable to be able to see how people look at life, be able to understand different perspectives, because it can really help you to look at things differently for yourself and maybe help you to produce more value in the future. The 7th way to invest in your future with $0 is to self-reflect. Self-reflection is something that everyone should be doing, and honestly, the more frequent the better. But if you can at least do it once a month, or I would even say every other week at least. I like to do it once a week, but like every other week at least would be super powerful. Even if it's literally just 10 minutes of you sitting yourself down and saying, what are the goals I have for this year, this month, this next quarter, whatever, right? And what have I done to get there? What can I do differently to help myself be better? Those 3 questions can really change the game. That sounds like, okay, Daniela, but I'm telling you, most people know that's a good thing to do, but don't actually apply it to their lives. And so it'll be like, again, it's December now, and it's like, whoa, like I didn't do any of my New Year's resolution. And it's like, well, if you didn't plan to do them, you ain't going to get there. So self-reflection is really big, and sometimes you just have to be real with yourself. Say, okay, I am not doing what I need to do to get here. whose book can I read, whose life can I read up on, what can I do differently to change my current routine, because it's not getting me to where I need to be. And that's when I would go refer back to the productivity journey thing, getting your money right challenge. But there's so many ways there are so many resources out there for you to help you get to where you want to be. And the best way to figure out that you even need help is to self-reflect. So self-reflection is $0. It is free, okay, but it can really be a game changer to invest in your future. Next one is to eat healthier, but not even just eat healthier, just to treat your body nicely. Maybe try to do a workout here and there. I know not everybody likes to work out, right? And that's fine, but maybe keeping active, go outside, go for a walk, just keep active, drink a lot of water, try to eat healthier, and try to stay away from those foods that are making you, groggy and slow, because that will allow you to be more productive. And guess what, guys? Working out is free these days. There's the YouTube. You can literally go on YouTube, type in a 5-minute workout, get it, do it, and there is no issue, right? So I would highly recommend, if you are trying to invest in your future, start looking at your body. Like, your body is what is a tool that you need to be working properly in order to live on this earth. Okay, so start treating it nicely, start doing what you need to do so that it stays healthy, and that literally costs $0, especially in these days. Praise God that we live in 2020. Ninth way to invest in your future with absolutely $0 is to start a side hustle. I have a whole video where I talk about 5 very unique side hustles that you probably don't know about that you can start now, and it'll be really good in 2021 as well. And all of the ones I listed are absolutely $0. They're free. I will link that video up above, and I'll also put it in the description box down below. But yeah, starting a side hustle can obviously help you invest in your future, because you're making a way for you to earn an extra source of income, and also learning a different skill set in order to start that side hustle is a way to invest in yourself to scale for whatever you want to do next. This last way that I'm about to list right now is the best thing to do. It is my favorite thing. I stand by this. God stands by this, okay? It's that important. And that is to watch your mouth. Talk correctly. Like, the words that you speak literally make or break your life. Period. The words that you speak are that important. So that's why I have a whole video talking about daily affirmations. Talking is free, you guys. Look, I'm talking right now, and I'm not paying anybody to talk right now, and you can do the same. Like, okay, you can talk for free and I'm telling you right now, you speaking into your life today will change your tomorrow, guaranteed. Like, guaranteed. Like, your speaking is so important. And if you want to know more about why I'm so passionate about this one, I have a whole video about why I recommend daily affirmations. I will link it up above and down below as well. But you guys, it's just so important. And when I say talking is free, I'm not just talking about, daily affirmations. I'm also talking about watching your mouth. I will actually have another video to follow up on this very topic, which is the renewal of the mind. Sometimes in order to, watch what we say, we have to literally go through a mind reset, because we have been so programmed to say certain things because, society taught us to say those things or feel a certain way or whatever. And that affects the way that we talk about ourselves, we talk about our lives, talk about other people. So I will have a video on how to renew your mind so you can better the way that you talk, watching your mouth, because it's that important to me. And I truly believe that it will really change your life when you start that process of speaking what is only correct about you. And what is correct about you is what God has said about you, okay? Nothing else. But yeah, those are the 10 ways that you can invest in your future with $0, completely free. Let me know in the comments which ones were your favorite, which one will you be starting today. And I hope talking is the one you're starting today, because that one is like, you have to sit here and talk. Like, it's so easy. Like, it's so easy. But honestly, all the ones that I listed are really free, and I really do believe that they can change your life forever. And if you watch this video and you have any specific questions for me, I will be happy to meet with you. I will have a link to my free consultation call down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you doing? Clearly I'm dropping gems on this channel, so go ahead and subscribe down below, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Tell your friends, tell your peoples to come here, because we drop gems on this video, we drop gems on this channel. Okay. And also, do not forget to give me a big like on this video, because it really does help the algorithm so that YouTube continues to grow this growing family, because we have goals here, okay, you guys? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!